Hello Ride On people. So our third and final day, slightly hungover. Sorry about the lighting in here, it's very, very dim, so I'm not sure how well this is going to come out, but look forward to the ride today. We're going to ride the, speaking quiet because it's very early morning, but we're going to be riding the half of the Diamondback 221A, I think that it is, and then we'll be heading kind of north westerly on 80, which looks stunning. Not ridden that before. I think they call that the Whip. It's pretty nice. And then joining the Blue Ridge Parkway to start heading our way kind of southwest. But also we'll take a quick detour up Mount Mitchell. Probably be a bit chilly up there this morning. It's kind of low 50s, and that's the highest mountain on the eastern seaboard, so, or eastern side of the US, so should be some good views from up there. A bit of nice elevation. Then we'll work our way back down to Asheville along the Blue Ridge Parkway, some lunch at Toxaway Grill near Toxaway Falls, and then when we'll kind of work our way back towards Clayton on the famous War Woman Road, do the Tiger Connector, and work down towards Dahlonega, Dawsonville and home. So I'll put the GoPro on, show you a bit of the topography up here, although it's absolutely stunning. Everywhere you ride for hundreds of miles is great, but you'll get a flavour for what it's like up here, and whether you'd like to tour your motorcycle up here yourself one day. So stay with us, stay tuned. Oh, before I pack them away, just one thing to mention: these Ducati liners for the panniers have been great, really good. Typical kind of dual Velcro handle, separate compartment at the front for handy access. Got all my waterproofs in there and stuff, not that I've needed them so far, toiletries and stuff. And one nice thing is, on the pannier where the exhaust is, which is obviously that little bit smaller, Ducati give you this additional bag here, which I've got some waterproof gloves in, and bits and bobs. And basically when the pannier is in situ, the unused space above the exhaust, it's usually unused, your bag will fit in it and you get a bit more storage. So good job Ducati, they've been invaluable on this trip, and also on the trip we just did to San Titla, where we rode the Dragon. It was very, very useful. Right. Hope I didn't keep you waiting too long. I believe so. Oh, this heated seat is nice, Eric. Oh, that's nice of them. Oh no, they live there. Oh, you lucky bastards. Is Doug still with us? Yeah, I'll just pull over here, guys. Just We just check Doug's okay. Let's just make sure he's okay. Yeah, maybe something simple like they've overfilled the sump or something like that. I hope so. What are you trying to say? The BMW doesn't have it, Jerry? Is that what you're trying? And you can't find it. Yeah. This is a good place to use the quick shifter, just up here. To accelerate. Here's the whip. Never ridden this. I think it will be quite spectacular. No, I don't think any of us have. It's only you, I think. But on the map it looks amazing. Wow. Awesome. Actually, I think I take it back about that steering. The problem is I occasionally have a problem on a right-hander because I've got a torn bicep at the moment. So I'm just not getting the counter steering force that I get on the left-handers. It actually kind of twisted my knee as well, so I had a problem when my knee was a bit swollen and giving me jip for the last 2 weeks, but it's actually... Yeah, well the knee's feeling pretty good now, so that was from an injury when I was kind of 16, around the meniscus really. But I mean, my body's been through so much trauma. I've broken practically every bone in my body, so it's unsurprising. I think his last words were, "Is that a motorcycle?" That's Jerry with his deer joke. Yeah. Is that a gun? Yeah, this is second gear all the way, isn't it? Ooh, left hand. We're just waiting for the others. Left. Yeah, it's not very far, Eric, about 15 miles. Tunnel ahead. Oh, bobcat, bobcat. Woohoo! That's awesome. I've never seen a bobcat in the wild. What a third beautiful day. Wow, look at that, guys.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Jesus. Way cool. Wow. Look at that. What elevation are we, Jerry? 4,400 feet. You know, those tunnels are funny because I've been through some of those in the summer and they've been ice inside. So you really have to watch it. Yeah. Anything remotely shiny, just assume it's ice. What's he doing? Why would you do that? He stopped at the imaginary stop sign. Virtually.
Finish him! Fatality.
I think she needs to do what the hell she likes, because she's just as fast and safe as all of you guys, so she should just ride it her way. I tell you what would be ideal on here, Eric, a monkey bike. Oh, you imagine that through the tunnels. You got to get that customised. What's Mount Mitchell, about 4.6, or is it higher than that? Wow, so that's quite a climb from even this. Well, I suppose we're still climbing ourselves as well, aren't we? Boy, have we lucked out with the weather, not just the sunshine and blue skies, but the temperatures as well. It was a little bit hot at the end of yesterday, it'll probably be a little bit hot at the end of today, but otherwise, man, couldn't have wished for better. Sounds like a Newfoundland word. Yeah, he's high as a kite, this guy. Smoking a big reefer. 5,180 pedestrians. Cyclist. He was just trying to look for his Caesar. You're in league with Charlie. Charlie loves to put his airflow gear on when it's 40 degrees. That's the man. So we're up at Mount Mitchell. It's Sunday morning. Blue skies, beautiful. Over 5,000 feet here. Got all the guys in the background. Met up with Mario from the Ducati Riders Club, and we're having a great time. We get back on the Blue Ridge Parkway shortly and work our way back down towards Asheville. So we're at a place called Devil's Courthouse along the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we're working our way down towards Toxaway Falls. And we're going to have lunch at Toxaway Grill. I think that's about an hour away, and still blue skies, not been rained on, having a good time and enjoying it. So we're kind of at the end of our 3-day mini tour to North Carolina. Came back through South Carolina. We're now back in good old Georgia. We're in Dawsonville, and we're just finishing off our day, and had a lovely ride here. I mean, it's just been blue skies, sunshine the whole way. It's getting a little bit warm now. It's kind of about 5 p.m. and it's about probably low 80s. So ready to get home and have a shower
and unpack my things and reflect on the weekend. But it's been great fun, great roads, great weather, great company, great food. It's just been a real laugh. I can't really show you half the things we laughed about. They're a bit adult rated, but we had some fun, and I'm sure we'll be doing more adventures of a similar style. So stay with the channel, you'll see more touring trips, you'll get some updates on my bike, which has nearly done 2,000 miles now, and all the accessories and clothing and all that good stuff. So thanks for being a subscriber, thanks for watching the videos, and I'll see you soon.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.